Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out of Heyday on your iPhone. If you are looking for a way to log out of your Heyday application using your iPhone, then here is how you can do it. First, open your Heyday application and make sure that you're inside this page. If you have linked your game to Supercell ID, then simply go ahead and tap on the menu bar at the top left. Now click on Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on the Connected button right next to Supercell ID. Now, tap the gear icon in the pop-up, scroll down and tap on the Logout button and tap on the Confirm button in the pop-up to log out of your Supercell ID. Once you are logged out, you are taken to the title screen. You can now close off the game, and there you have successfully logged out of Heyday on iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again in the next video. Goodbye till then.